Why do some people become millionaires while others stay broke? The truth is, wealth isn't about luck. It's about strategy. If you're stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, constantly stressing about bills and wondering if financial freedom is even possible for you, this video is for you. Because today I'm breaking down the exact millionaire formula that self-made millionaires use to escape financial struggles, multiply their wealth, and create lasting financial independence. You don't need a six-figure salary. You don't need a trust fund. What you do need is a shift in mindset and a willingness to take action. Right now, 80% of millionaires are self-made, meaning they didn't inherit their wealth. They built it. But here's the secret. They didn't do it by saving pennies or working overtime. They did it by understanding how money truly works and using systems to generate wealth on autopilot. So, if you're serious about changing your financial future, stay until the end, because I'm giving you 3 millionaire secrets that can completely transform your money mindset and a special challenge to get you started on your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Number 1. You're still broke. Millionaire money blueprint. Here's what the wealthy do differently. The rich think differently. They invest first, most, and spend. People work for money later, but the wealthy make money. They buy work for the assets. That's not liabilities. The key difference. They build multiple streams of income, average per instead of relying on one at a high paycheck. Higher income, let's break it down, is the answer to financial success. But the truth is, income alone won't make you rich. It's how you use it that matters. Millionaires prioritize net worth over income. Your net worth is the total value of everything you own. Assets minus everything you owe. Liabilities. Your salary might be 6 figures, but if you're drowning in debt and spending every dollar you make, you're still broke. Here's what the wealthy do differently. They invest first and spend later, being expenses. They buy asset 20%, not like a set liability side for savings and reinvest. They build investment, multiple streams of income. This rule will ensure income instead that most of their relying on money is being one paycheck multiplied instead of wait. Let's break it on unnecessary down even further. Spending. What now compare an asset? Compare this to how most is a liability people manage their money. Assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, intellectual property, and anything that grows in value or generates income. Liabilities, cars, designer clothes, expensive gadgets, and anything that depreciates in value or costs money to maintain. Think about this. If you had $100,000 right now, what would you do with it? Most people would upgrade their lifestyle. Buy a new car, take a luxury vacation, or splurge on designer brands. A millionaire would invest that money into assets, stocks, real estate, or a business that generates cash flow. The moment you start thinking like an investor instead of a consumer, you step onto the path of financial independence. Number 2, the 50-30-20 rule of wealth. How to manage money. Like a millionaire. Money management is just as important as making money. And the rich follow a simple formula to ensure their money is working for them, not against them. It's called the 50-30-20 rule of wealth. 50% of income goes toward investments and wealth-building activities. 30% covers living expenses. 20% is set aside for savings and reinvestment. This rule ensures that most of their money is being multiplied instead of wasted on unnecessary spending. Now, compare this to how most people manage their money. 70 to 80% of their income goes toward bills, rent, food, and entertainment. Maybe 10% is saved, if anything at all, and barely anything is invested. No wonder so many people are stuck in financial survival mode. 70 to 80% of their income goes toward bills, rent, food, and entertainment. Maybe 10% is saved, if anything at all, and barely anything is invested. No wonder so many people are stuck in financial survival mode. Even further, what's an asset versus a liability? Assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, intellectual property, and anything that grows in value or generates income. Liabilities, Cars, designer clothes, expensive gadgets, and anything that depreciates in value or costs money. If you want to be wealthy, start prioritizing growing your money first. Before paying for Netflix, expensive dining, or designer shoes, pay your future self first. Put that money into stocks, real estate, or a business, because discipline today creates financial freedom tomorrow. Number 3, the power of passive income. The secret to unlimited wealth. Here's one of the biggest secrets of the wealthy. They never rely on just one income stream. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income, including investments, businesses, and royalties. Why? Because depending on a single paycheck is risky. If your only income source disappears, your entire financial foundation crumbles. But if you have multiple sources of income, your wealth grows even while you sleep. Here are some of the best passive income streams millionaires use. Stock market dividends, stocks that pay you just for holding them. Rental income, owning property that generates cash flow every month. Digital products, online courses, ebooks, and print-on-demand businesses. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products. Business ownership, companies that generate income with minimal involvement. YouTube and social media monetization, earning from ad revenue and sponsorships. Royalties from intellectual property, music, patents, books, and trademarks. Imagine owning a rental property that pays you $2,000 per month. That's $24,000 per year, without you having to actively work for it. Now, multiply that by 3 or 4 properties, and you're earning a 6-figure income passively. The more passive income streams you build, the faster you can achieve financial freedom and escape the 9-to-5 grind for good. Number 4, the Millionaire Action Plan. How to start today. You don't become a millionaire by just thinking about it. You become a millionaire by taking action. So, where do you start? Follow this simple 3-step plan. Step 1, educate yourself on wealth. Success leaves clues. If you want to be wealthy, study the wealthy. Read books, listen to finance podcasts, and follow successful entrepreneurs. Some must read books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. The Millionaire Fast Lane, M.J. DeMarco. The Psychology of Money. Morgan Housel. Step 2, open an investment account. If you haven't started investing, do it today. Open a brokerage account and start small. $10, $100, or whatever you can afford. The key is to start now. Step 3, launch a side hustle. Find a way to create extra income outside of your 9-to-5. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online business, or investing in real estate, use your time wisely. Every small step you take today will lead to massive wealth tomorrow. Final challenge, let's build wealth together. Now here's your challenge. Drop a comment below with your number 1 financial goal for this year. Whether it's starting an investment portfolio, launching a side hustle, or saving your first $10,000, put it in writing. Accountability is key, so let's grow together. If this video gave you value, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial game changers. Because your future self will thank you for the steps you take today.